That SRV file belongs to Kerio Connect, holding server-level mail configuration data that keeps your email system running. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage and maintain this critical configuration file. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor SRV errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. An SRV file is a server configuration or data file associated with Kerio Connect, an enterprise email and collaboration server. It stores server configuration parameters, service definitions, or mail routing data used by the Kerio Connect server engine for managing email, calendars, and contacts. SRV files used by Kerio Connect follow GFI Software's proprietary configuration format, typically XML-based or binary, encoding server settings including domain configurations, service parameters, SMTP routing rules, and authentication settings for the Kerio Connect mail server platform. The SRV file originated with and is formally handled by Kerio Connect, developed by GFI Software. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows displays their basic content, though proper changes depend on understanding the file's format. We're checking the integrity against known readers. Right-click your SRV file and click Open With. If Kerio Connect is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. You need to test widely. If your SRV file will not open, do not worry. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the SRV file won't cooperate. First, access via Kerio Connect administration. SRV files are managed through the Kerio Connect administration interface. Log into the Kerio Connect administration console via web browser and navigate to the configuration section to view and modify server settings. Direct file editing is not recommended outside of Kerio's administrative tools. Next, edit with a text or XML editor. If the SRV file is XML-based, open it with a text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code for direct inspection. Kerio Connect must be stopped before editing configuration files directly. Always create a backup before modifying any SRV configuration file to prevent server configuration corruption. Finally, restore from Kerio Connect backup. If SRV files are missing or corrupted, restore them from a Kerio Connect backup archive. Use the Kerio Connect backup and recovery tools to extract configuration files from the most recent backup. Contact GFI Software support for assistance with Kerio Connect server file recovery procedures. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.